Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the workout list on this watch. First we need to open the workout list, and you can do it by waking up the screen and then pressing the lower button. After the menu opens, you will see the list of workouts basically, and maybe you're missing the one you would like to use, and you can add more. To do it, scroll down to the bottom, tap on plus button, find the category you are interested in. For example, let's say swimming. Oh, this one is already on the list, so we can't add it. So let's find different category, maybe yoga. And here we have some workouts. Find the one you are interested in and then tap on it to add it. And the workout will appear right here at the top of the list. You can also remove the workouts if you don't want to use them or don't care about them. You can press and hold on one of them. The editing menu will open, and then you can tap on the minus button to remove the workout, and then you can tap on the screen to exit the editing mode. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.